7 benefits of eating guava. Guava is a very popular and nutritious fruit. It is easily available, cheap, and full of health benefits. Guava contains various essential elements including vitamin C, dietary fiber, antioxidants, potassium, calcium, which play an important role in keeping the body healthy. Below are the 10 main benefits of eating guava. 1. Boosts immunity. Guava is an excellent source of vitamin C. A medium-sized guava can provide more vitamin C than an orange. Vitamin C helps prevent colds, coughs, and viral infections by increasing the body's immunity. 2. Helps in controlling diabetes. Guava is a low-glycemic index fruit, so it does not allow blood sugar to rise rapidly. The dietary fiber in it plays an important role in controlling blood glucose. Guava is a safe and healthy fruit for diabetics. 3. Improves digestion. Guava is rich in dietary fiber, which helps relieve constipation and keeps the digestive system active. Guava is very effective in reducing indigestion, gastric, or acidity problems. 4. Reduces the risk of heart disease. The potassium and antioxidants in guava help control blood pressure, which plays a role in preventing heart disease. It helps reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, and increase good cholesterol, HDL. 5. Beneficial for skin. Guava's vitamin C, antioxidants, and water content nourish the skin from within. It brightens the skin, reduces acne, and prevents age-related wrinkles. 6. Helps in weight loss. Guava is low in calories but high in nutrients and fiber. It keeps the stomach full for a long time and reduces the tendency to eat unnecessarily. As a result, it helps in losing or controlling weight. 7. Improves eyesight. Vitamin A in guava improves eyesight. It helps prevent night blindness and protects eye cells. 8. Improves brain function. Guava contains vitamin B3 and vitamin B6, which strengthen the nervous system. It helps increase attention, memory, and mental activity by increasing blood circulation to the brain. 9. Plays a role in cancer prevention. The antioxidants in guava, such as lycopene and quercetin, reduce free radicals in the body, which helps reduce the risk of cancer. 10. Beneficial for pregnant mothers and babies. The folic acid in guava helps in the development of the brain and nerves of the unborn child. It improves the digestion of mothers, reduces anemia, and boosts immunity. Guava is a versatile fruit that benefits the body in various ways. The vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants it contains keep the body healthy, prevent diseases, and help in beautiful skin and a healthy lifestyle. Therefore, including guava in your daily diet is very beneficial for health.